Love reading, guys. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung makaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. Ayan, you do have here the Temperance. Okay, followed by the Four of Pentacles and one more card. Ang sumunod na card sa'yo ay Nine of Pentacles. And then, kunin ko na rin yan sa side ng person mo, ha, for air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, so you do have your Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, Six of Pentacles, ayan. So, nakikita natin with the Temperance. Strength card at the bottom of the deck. I feel like with the Temperance, gusto ko yung energy nito kasi you're giving love sa sarili mo and equally sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Maybe you have learned to acknowledge itong pangangailangan ng bawat isa. And maybe with regards to your health, your sa sistema, sa sarili mo, may mga binabago ka. And I feel like you are being more mature. And dahil ganyan ka na ngayon, maraming pagbabagong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo, spiritually rin, nakakita tayo na nagbe-benefit ka dito. With the Nine of Pentacles, I can see na there are people in your life right now na nakakatulong pagdating sa iyong success. With the Four of Pentacles, pwedeng you will be more focused pagdating sa iyong money focus sa pag-iipon, and yun nga, may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang, sige, tinutulungan ka nila na mag-gather mo lahat ng resources, makaipon ka, they're helping you. Yung iba pwedeng nakakatulong din sila para mas kumita ka pa, ganyan. The Eight of Pentacles, this is a person who is focusing sa trabaho, sa career. The Hierophant, I feel like this is a person na marami na rin namang naituro sa'yo, naitulong. Could be a father figure. I feel like there's a lot of emotions dito sa taong ito. More like spiritual emotion And with the Six of Pentacles, nakakita tayo ng pagtulong or pakikipagtulungan mula dito sa taong to. You do have the Strength card. So, napakatibay or lakas ng connection ninyong dalawa. And with the Three of Cups, I feel like this could be this could be a friend, okay? The Three of Cups showing to me as a friend, or there's a high chance na palakas ng palakas yung chance na magkaroon ng pagta-travel or reconciliation sa inyong dalawa ng taong to kung may pagkakalayo, okay? Kung may pagkakalayo. Pero kung wala, I feel like there's friendship energy sa inyong dalawa. Anyway, let's move on. Ano ba yung mga emotions ninyo sa isa't isa nitong taon to? For the sign of air sign, please. Ano yung mga emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong ito. For air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ace of Pentacles, the World, and Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles. Kuha pa tayo ng mga deck, mga cards for your side, para sa side naman ng person mo. You do have the Magician, the Knight of Swords, the Moon, and the Devil, Capricorn, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Dami ko nakikitang earth sign energy. The Hermit, this is Virgo energy. Okay, a person, nakikita natin ang emotion mo. Pwedeng dalawa lang yan Either naging mas open ka sa kanya, or naging mas open ka sa kanya pagdating sa usaping pera. Alam mo yun? Yung parang naging vulnerable ka sa taong to. You need money, you will talk to this person kasi feeling mo, not only because makakatulong siya, pero might be, naging vulnerable ka sa kanya. Yung iba nga pwedeng, in a way na pwedeng nang utang ka pa or nagsabi ka pwedeng makautang sa'yo, ganito, ganyan. But, if not, pwedeng, naging vulnerable ka sa taong ito, and pwedeng pwedeng emotion mo yung naging open ka doon. Kahit maging mababa or pangit yung tingin niya, ganito, ganyan. Parang wala kang pakialam, basta inopen mo sa kanya yan. Pero kung hindi mo nga ginawa yan, pwedeng usaping pera lang. Naging vulnerable ka pagdating sa usaping pera. Okay? Nagets mo na? Alin man doon. Or pwedeng both. Nakuha ko yung, yung energy pareho. Pwede. With the Magician, your person is, if you are the one na medyo open, ito naman taong to masyadong close, especially with the moon. This is Pisces energy, and this person is very emotional, sobrang nalulungkot or nasasaktan siya ngayon. This person is guilty sa kanyang emotions kasi nga hindi siya naging open, but then there's a lot of guilty energy na, hindi ko inopen pero alam ko ang totoo sa sarili ko. The Knight of Swords, this is a person who takes action. And might be, dahil sa pagkakalayo ninyong dalawa, it's hard na mag-take ng actions for now para sa kanya. This person, pwedeng hindi siya magaling sa words, pero magaling siya sa actions. And on the other hand, ikaw naman hindi ka magaling sa actions, but, or maybe magaling ka rin sa actions, but more on, mas vulnerable kapag dating sa iyong words. So, gano'n, medyo nagkakatalo kayo nitong taong to pagdating sa bagay na yan. And you do over the Hermit, so you could be dealing with a person na talagang napaka-distant, napaka-layo, or masyado niyang ina-isolate ang sarili niya. Especially pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate. Okay, hindi siya magaling makipag-communicate. But deep inside, there's a lot of emotions here. So, what is happening in the near future for you, air sign? For the near future for our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. You do have the Ace of Swords, the Star, the High Priestess, the Five of Cups. For your person, you do have the Ten of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the King of Swords, and one more card, the Queen of Swords. Clarify the King and Queen of Swords, please. Okay, you do have the Nine of Cups and the Nine of Wands, and please clarify the Five of Cups. You do have the Queen of Wands, and one more card, the Fool, and the Eight of Cups is here. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. Okay, and the Three of Swords. Five of Swords is also here. Ayan. So, nakita tayo dito ng disappointments in the near future, and I'm really sorry, no, sobrang lungkot at sobrang sakit ng future for you because umasa ka with the Ace of Swords, whatever this new beginning na inisip mo na mangyayari, pero hindi siya nangyari. So, nagkakause or nagdudulot ito ng disappointments for you. Especially with the Fool, maaaring may pagtitake ng risk na gagawin ka dito, or may feeling like may mga biglaan na risk ka na pwedeng gawain, wherein pwedeng mag-lead into, kasi hoping ka na mangyari ito, mangyari yan, but then this would lead for you na masaktan or hindi maging okay yung actions na yon. So, tendency malungkot or masaktan ka dito talaga, And with the High Priestess, because maaaring ang mas pinaniwalaan mo yung spiritual na connection ninyo ng person na ito. And dahil yon ang mas pinaniwalaan mo, dinisregard mo na yung ibang bagay na naka-surround or naging dahilan ng separation ninyo nitong taong ito. And yung iba naman sa inyo, I can see na some of you may mga advice, pwedeng may kinalaman sa tarot. So, for some of you, dahil sa advice na nakuha mo or narinig mo dito, pwedeng maging dahilan para sa iyo na mag-withdraw or wag na ituloy kung ano man itong binabalak mo na ito na pagte-take ng risk kasi pwede kang masaktan, And yeah, that will happen. You do have here the Two of Cups and the Three of Swords and the Five of Swords. So, a lot of big changes ang mangyayari sa connection ninyo because of this pain na mararamdaman ninyong pareho. Now, with the Two of Cups, there's a beautiful relationship connection sa inyong dalawa ng person nito. Pero dahil doon sa pain or sa sakit na ma-experience ninyong dalawa, pwedeng magkaroon ng big shift or pagbabago sa connection na ito. With regards to your person, with the Ten of Pentacles, I feel like I can see a lot of money for your person. Pero a lot of stress din. Nakakita tayo in the future para sa kanya na parang may nag-grow sa kanya pero parang hindi niya makita yung saysay. Baga, bakit ko pa to ginagawa, ganito, ganyan. This person is, nagkakaroon siya ng magandang reputasyon and career, but the problem is he or she is not happy sa kung ano yung meron siya. And with the Nine of Cups, nandun yung pag-iisip or pagde-daydream sa yun itong person na ito because unfortunately, I feel like napipilitan siyang umalis or mag-move on or some kind of ending ang nangyayari sa inyo na parang hindi ninyo gustong pareho pero parang ikaw dahil wala na nasaktan ka na alis na ako, parang ganon, sige lang. And yeah, what is the advice here for your sign? You do have the Three of Cups and the Chariot and the Five of Wands, Ten of Wands and the Ten of Wands and the Eight of Swords. Yeah, I feel like wag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. If you're not sure about something, kung hindi ka sure sa isang bagay, kung bakit mo gagawin, wag mo munang gawin. This is not the right time to do that. The Three of Cups, reconciliation will happen kung yun ang gusto mong mangyari. With the Chariot, with this person, possible ang reconciliation. Pero with the Five of Wands, hindi pa sa ngayon kasi masyadong magulo. Maraming problems and maraming kailangan pang mabago. Not only sa buhay mo, but sa buhay din ng taong ito. And yeah, especially sa July is there's the planet of Mars na magkakaroon ng pagkilalapit sa planet of Uranus and pwedeng makaapekto ito para gumawa ka ng mga sudden movement na pwedeng ang ending ikaw lang yung masaktan. Okay, so be careful with whatever your actions ang nafe-feel mong dapat mong gawin or gusto mong gawain, wag mo munang gawain. Pigilan mo muna sarili mo. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.